Forget boring vacations. Australia is a continent-sized playground built for adrenaline and awe, a place that tests your limits and rewards you with raw beauty. This isn't just about seeing the sights, it's about feeling them, pushing yourself into the heart of the wild. From the sun-scorched red deserts to the vibrant underwater wonderlands of the reef, every corner holds a new challenge. This is your guide to the top 10 adventures you have to experience down under. Get ready to dive headfirst into the most thrilling, unforgettable experiences Australia has to offer. Strap in, because this is where the real journey begins. Are you ready to face the wild? Let's go. Kicking off our list is the Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder so vast you can see it from space. But to truly understand it, you have to get in the water. Diving or snorkeling here is like entering a living kaleidoscope, swimming alongside sea turtles, shimmering fish, and intricate coral gardens. It's an explosion of color and life, a fragile paradise that's a privilege to witness firsthand. For the perfect wave, head to the Gold Coast, the spiritual home of Australian surf culture. Whether you're riding the legendary Superbank or catching your first wave, you're part of a community bound by a love for the sea. This is more than a sport, it's a way of life, raw and exhilarating. Fraser Island is a four-wheel drive paradise where your highway is the beach itself. Race the tides, drive through ancient rainforests, and discover pristine lakes like Lake Mackenzie. It's a wild, untamed ecosystem that puts your sense of adventure to the test. For a true wilderness trek, Tasmania's Cradle Mountain is unbeatable. Hike the overland track through glacial lakes, misty rainforests, and open alpine moors, with wildlife as your only companions. This isn't just a walk, it's immersion into the wild heart of Tasmania. Uluru isn't just a rock, it's the spiritual heart of Australia. Watching the sun set over Uluru is a profound, humbling experience as the monolith shifts through a spectrum of colors. It's a moving spectacle that connects you to the ancient pulse of this continent. The Kimberley is Australia's last great wilderness, best seen from above. Soar over the Bungle Bungle Range, the horizontal falls, and ancient river gorges, witnessing 2 billion years of natural history. A flight here isn't just sightseeing, it's a journey back in time. For the best view in Sydney, climb the Harbour Bridge. Step by step, the city falls away and a 360-degree panorama unfolds: harbour, opera house, and skyline. It's a moment of triumph and a unique perspective on one of the world's most beautiful cities. In Hervey Bay, the whale-watching capital, you get up close with migrating humpbacks. Watch as 40-ton adults breach, calves play, and curious whales approach your boat. It's a powerful, emotional encounter with giants of the deep. The Great Ocean Road is the ultimate Australian road trip, winding along the wild Southern Ocean coast. Marvel at the 12 Apostles, world-famous surf breaks, and hike through ancient rainforests just minutes from the sea. This drive is a journey through a constantly changing, dramatic landscape. The ultimate adventure, canyoning in Karijini National Park. Abseil waterfalls, swim turquoise pools, and squeeze through ancient red gorges to hidden emerald oases. It's physically demanding, utterly exhilarating, and connects you to the raw power of Australia. Australia is a land of endless adventure, where every landscape feels epic and every experience is unique. Which of these is at the top of your list? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys and expert tips. Your next great Australian adventure starts right now. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.